Transit convenient. Great food at restaurant. Very nice meal at restaurant. Well appointed spacious room. Late plane arrival. Very comfortable rooms, staff friendly and very helpful. Rooms soundproof. Would recommend for any stayovers. Entry a little hard to find due to works happening nearby. Signage near crossing directing you to hotel foyer would be good, as late at night it was hard to locate. Airport hotel. 5-star hotel within airport, close to hire car offices. Seamless way to return the car in evening and have a leisurely start to the next day and international departure. Exceptional. So easy. Nice to just walk out of the airport when you're arriving late and your hotel is just there. Room was lovely and spacious. Staff were very friendly. Would definitely stay there again. Convenient. Grade C. Excellent for early morning departure. Traveling with a 3-year-old. We had a 6 a.m. flight to Brisbane. You cannot beat the location of this hotel to the departure hall. Made the early morning flight more bearable, having to just walk across the road to get our flight. No worrying about traffic and parking. It was wonderful. Exceptional, great staff and beautiful food. Enjoyable and comfortable stay. Fantastic. Highly recommend after a late flight into Melbourne. Wonderful and welcoming staff. Excellent in every aspect. Wonderful place to stay in every way. Just don't expect any cutlery other than a teaspoon. Exceptional, beautiful hotel. Exceptional. A night before international travel. Can walk along the gangway instead of having to go out in the weather, as the gangway runs between the hotel and terminals. Just need to change lifts to go up to the secured PARKROYAL with an access card. Restaurant was lovely, not too expensive. Beautiful room, sometimes it well worth paying a little extra for convenience and style. Excellent airport hotel. Great location, 5 minutes walk from Melbourne Airport. Very quick and efficient check-in and check-out. Rooms modern, spacious and clean. Nice hotel, very kids friendly. Stopover. Great stopover location when you have an early morning flight next day. Very convenient to walk across the road to the airport.